Another question really is that what's our relationship with Bpro, with beauty professionalisation? Well, Bpro approached Habia looking for qualifications, standardisation and certification, and Habia contacted me. We formed a partnership agreement between the three of us. Now, it's actually a unique agreement because they are the only certificates that we allow a logo to appear on, because they have the Bpro logo and the Habia logo and the Qualify logo, but no other qualifications or certificates for endorsement that we offer have the organisation's logo on it. So that is something unique to this partnership.
Oh, lovely. We're London Beauty Academy and AIM International Academy. We both are so honored and to have Qualify, Habia and Bpro, all the three brands with us. And with is London Beauty Academy India and AIM International Academy Noida are accredited by Qualify and Habia and Bpro?
They are indeed, and actually any centre that goes through accreditation with us to become an approved centre has to go through a lot of checks. It's not easy.
Yeah.
We have to check all of your quality assurance requirements, your policies and procedures. We have to check the facilities, the standards, your schemes of work, your facilities, your resources, the CVs of all the tutors. So it's not easy to be approved. Even centres, in the UK find it quite a challenge to get approval. But once you've been approved, then we can confirm that approval with what we call a Qualify certificate number. And London Beauty Academy India's certificate number is QCN 7028. So that is your approved number, and any other schools that are affiliated with Bpro that are also approved have their unique centre number. So at any time I can check the staff, I can check your certificate through your centre name and centre number, that the staff are keeping up to date with their CPD, with their certificates. Every year there is a reapproval requirement for regulated qualifications. We don't have quite the same for endorsed courses, but we do constantly check registered. When they are then ready to be certificated, you will know, because I give you feedback with every batch of learners certificated of how to make sure the standards are as high as possible. And it isn't just about being excellent in the skills, which they are. The skills I've seen I'm really impressed with. The makeup is beautiful, so much so that I have sent photos that you've sent to our CEO to say, look how beautiful these are.